good afternoon. Right now it's about 2:34 p.m. and today is 18th of January 2021. Right, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm here I thought, I'll make a video in the live market today. And reason is, like I was watching Nifty, of course, it is under correction. It's been 3 days, one, two, right? Rather, today is the fourth day when it was just correcting. And from, like, if you notice, this is Nifty 50, Nifty index chart, spot chart, from 10:30 to about 1:30. This Nifty was range bound, right? It was in a range of about 60 points, right? It was going up and down, and then finally it broke this range, and it went good about 60 points move it gave from here to here, right? But it's not being able to sustain itself, and it came down, right? So that's fine. I still believe. I don't know. I mean, we bought it over here, the option, the call option, we bought it about 100, and it went till about 126, and a good about 25% return. Not bad at all. Yeah. So this is where it was range bound, right? And this candle, when this candle was alerted my team, team means my webinar members, and we bought the option, and it gave us good move, right? Again, if it takes a support from here, we will get another trade. And why am I so let me just have a look at Nifty, what is happening in Nifty. So I'm going to Nifty's option chain. Let me just refresh it and see how the dynamics are changing. So if you notice, there is a heavy call writing which has happened at 14,400 today. What's the current price right now? It's about. So these are 13 lakh contracts have been written today, right? Whereas 8 lakh contracts here, 2 lakh contracts here, 5 lakh contracts here, and all these contracts you see, they have been written today itself. That means Nifty is definitely, these are very, very strong supports, like these are strong supports that are being created by option writers, right? This place is option, this is where the option writers are writing and forming a great support, right? So of course, we do not expect Nifty to fall down to this level of 13,800 or 13,900. That is why people are safely writing it and making money from here, right? Now let's have a look. How does Nifty looks right now? I still feel there may be another bounce coming from here. If Nifty respect this region, let me show you what region I'm talking about. If it respect that zone, we can expect another move up. So while I'm making video, let's see if it takes a bounce from here. If it takes a bounce, then it'll be a definitely good opportunity. Otherwise, if it breaks low, you can expect further fall, right? So I have a very, very nice trade, but again, the trade is in the buy side only, right? And the trade is, I have this trade of Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? This is how Kotak Mahindra Bank looks. It's been range bound the whole day, right? You see this? It's been range bound the whole day. It started with open equal to high. This first candle was formed. You see this first candle. After that, it refused to break this low, right? It refused to break this low, which is 1843. And look at these volumes that have appeared, right? This volume is a very attractive volume, right? It indicates that buyers have got activated into it today, right? Not that I'm going by the green volume, but it looks to me a buy volume only. So now see from here, Kotak has been falling down for almost, it started falling down from this date, right? From the uh, uh, December 30th, 31st December onwards, it's been just falling down, right? And if you notice, this was a day when huge volumes appeared, right? If I just convert this into the shorter time frame, you will find those kind of volumes have just appeared today, right? This kind of volumes have appeared after a long time. Just have a look. I'll show you the bigger picture. Only out here these kind of volumes appeared, right? See here, this is where these huge volumes have appeared, somewhere at the back, right? This place. And today again, these volumes have appeared. So this is an indication that there is something cooking up in Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? So I'm giving you a trade, believing that you may have, I mean, you can, um, if you want, you can take cash. You want, you can take futures. If you have to take futures, then what position? Where do you need to create the position? You can buy it above 1855, and your right 1845. Just about 10 points is going to be a stop loss, and your target will be at least 1878 and 1900, and then after that 1915. These are going to be your targets. So this is for people who want to take futures, those who want to take options. So here is the option. This is 1900 call, because right now Kotak is at about 1850. So you can take Kotak Mahindra Bank call option at about 35 rupees. Your stop loss is going to be 30 rupees, right? That means if the lot size is 400, 5-point stop loss will make it 2000 rupees is at risk, right? That is the high maximum risk you will have. Your target could be 40, 45, 50, and definitely 50 I'm expecting, right? That could be a good target. So these are the targets that you can take for Kotak Mahindra Bank, right? So it's definitely looking very, very promising, but let's see how market goes, because right now Nifty is again, oscillating between high and low. So right now, while I'm making the video, in case, it takes a support, I don't know where I will be posting, because by the time I'll post it on the YouTube, the time must have passed by. So yeah, but you can watch it, right? You can watch it yourself. If Nifty's next candle, right, at 245, if it forms above this place, which place, right here. See, I feel that buying is coming right now, right? Even I call option, Nifty's call option. So again, Nifty is planning to move up, and if it holds itself, we can definitely expect to give it a blast, and go up till about 120, 125, 130. So Nifty's call option is looking good, and I have given you a very, very concrete trade, and I have explained you the reason as well. In case you want to buy cash, right? This is cash. You have to buy it above 1860. Your stop loss is going to be 1845, and your target will be minimum 1900, right? Minimum is going to be 1900, right? So yeah, so the reason why I made this video, so that you get the trade in the live market and you can hold your position for a day or two. So it looks good to me, and yeah, so Kotak is looking good. I have told you, reason is that the volumes have appeared and it's refused to go below this. So there is a significance which I'm withdrawing from here, that stock plans to go up. So probably while the video is uploaded on the YouTube, you will see it in another 10 minutes. Right now it's about 2:43. Take your call accordingly, and yeah, see the accuracy, and with that you can determine, and definitely you can be present on my Telegram channel, right? This is my Telegram channel, and yeah, see here, this is what my, you can see it in the description box. You can see the description box my Telegram channel. It somehow is not coming over here, but I have given a trade in the live market, right, which is Kotak Mahindra Bank, and you can definitely take a look. You will find a good trade here, and you'll definitely make good profit, but buy it above the levels that I have given. So with this, I'm signing off. Take care and keep watching my videos. Remain present on my Telegram channel and on my Twitter handle as well, right? Be present on my Twitter handle. A lot of good stocks are given there, and you can definitely mint good money. So this is my Twitter handle here. So you can be present here and keep getting good trades out here. So with this, I'm signing off, and hope you get this video when the market is on and make good money along with me. Take care. Bye bye. See you. I'll I'm planning to make another video in the evening. Take care. Bye.